The first thing we have to do is minimise Snapseeing. I can open Gaze Interaction settings by either searching Windows or by clicking on the icon, which in this instance is on my desktop. The currently selected calibration profile is shown in the top right-hand corner. You can change the calibration profile from the drop-down menu. First, check the track status. The track status assists with positioning. Good practice is to position your device so that your eyes are in the middle or slightly higher than the middle when calibrating, as it is common to sit straighter when calibrating than when not. I can then open Settings. I can change the background colour of the calibration screen. A brighter background colour can be useful for users with big pupils, as the brighter background can cause pupils to shrink, which in turn gives more success when calibrating. I can do a simple calibration with less points. I can choose to do a 2-point calibration here. The stimulus type can be changed. I can choose between the provided stimulus images. These images are good for calibration as they all have a focal point in the centre, which channels the eyes to the centre of the image. However, you can choose to use any image that you have stored on your computer. I can also choose to use a video clip as a stimulus. I can choose between the two included examples or choose a favourite video clip from my computer. I can choose the stimulus size. I will select large to make the stimulus easier to see. I can also choose the stimulus speed. I have chosen a slow speed to reduce anxiety when the stimulus moves across the screen. By selecting Keyboard Step-Through, I will be required to press the S key on the keyboard once I have started looking at the stimulus, and press the S key again to move on to the next calibration point. This reduces anxiety and stress as I can't run out of time when calibrating. Press Calibrate. Here we can see the yellow background and blue stimulus that I selected. Note the speed and size of the stimulus. Since I selected Keyboard Step-Through, I'm required to press the S key to start calibrating the point, and press the S key again to move on to the next. The calibration accuracy will be shown as red, yellow or green. It is important to note that red does not indicate a bad calibration. All calibrations are good calibrations. Even if red, the calibration may well be fully functional for the needs of the individual user. However, if individual calibration points need to be improved, that can also be done. In this instance, both calibration points are good. If the lines in the circles are protruding too much from the circles, then you can select the point that needs improving and select Improve Point. You can do this for both eyes or for one eye. You can press Apply and OK to exit Gaze Interaction settings. I can then reopen Snapseeing and continue using it with the new calibration.